Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use the special color palette feature in Hipaint. So this is our canvas, and when you click on this color, basically you can get this kind of circle to choose the color from, and at the bottom you have the colors you used. And when it comes to color palette section, you can find the set of colors. Also you can create your own color palette here. Apart from this, we have another special color choosing option in Hipaint. So if you want that, click on this circle, and here something like this occurs. And when it comes to 1 2, we have different options from choose from, like clear the layer, whatever tools you see at the top and in the dot section, that will be available here as well. And when you click on this color at the center, you get this color palette which is specially available in Hipaint. So now what you have to do is just choose the color, and you can work on this. Now just click on the circle, click on the center color and choose the color. It's that simple, but also this color palette looks really unique and interesting. We can find so many beautiful colors here. And click on the center color and choose the color you want. So yeah, this is how you have to use this color palette. Click on the color box that you want, yeah, and whatever color we have selected, that will be available at the top color option as well. So just you can drag roll like this. So yeah, I hope you find this tutorial useful. If so, subscribe to my channel, because many of you are not subscribing but watching my videos. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.